Hello everyone, here I am with my new video. I'm going to solve question number 9 and I will continue till 12th number. So let's see what is given. This question is of exercise 4.3 and chapter is for factorization. Our question says that factorize following equation. The equation is a into a minus 2 minus b into b minus 2. So first of all what we have to do, we can't take anything common, so we'll open the bracket. A into a is a square minus 2a minus b into b is b square minus 2b. Now we will assemble square numbers together, okay, and multiple of 2 those numbers at last. So it is a square minus b square minus 2a. See, I just rearrange the numbers. Now here is a square minus b square, so we can write it as a plus b into a minus b, and from here we can take common minus 2. So what will be left things? It is a plus b because minus 2 is common. Now you see there are two groups, this and this, so from both the groups what I can take as common? A plus b. Okay, so what is the remaining thing? Here is a minus b minus 2. These are the two factors. First one is a plus b and second one is a minus b minus 2. So these are the two factors of given algebraic expression. Now our question number 10. First, see what is given: 9 minus x square plus 2xy minus y square. Now we have to think how we will convert the four terms in that form: a square minus b square. That is not possible, but if you will see carefully, you can see that these last three terms are somehow square of a plus b or a minus b. Okay, so we have to think to convert in that way. First of all, we will use these three and try to change into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. For that, we have to think what is the formula. The formula is that x square plus y square minus 2 xy, but here 2xy is with plus sign and these two numbers are with minus sign. It means we have to convert this into minus and these two into plus. So what we will do, we will take minus 1 as common. So what I have written here, 9 minus 1. Now it is x square, this is 2xy, and here is plus y square. As we have taken minus 1 as common, quickly all the numbers change its sign. Okay, first of all these two numbers, square numbers, are with minus sign. Now these two came with plus sign and plus 2xy become minus 2xy. So 9 minus, we may write 1 or if we can ignore, meaning is same. Now a square plus b square minus 2xy, it means this is square of x minus y. So it is 9 minus x minus y whole square. Now you can see that 9 is what? Square of 3, and here is x minus y square. So we are having two terms, a square minus b square. So what we will write? This plus this and this minus this. That is what? Now we are utilizing that formula of a square minus b square. So 3 plus x minus y in first bracket, and in second bracket x minus here is 3 minus x minus y. Okay, so we'll open this bracket. Here is 3 plus x minus y, and in this bracket this is 3 minus x plus y. So these are the two factors. First is 3 plus x minus y and second is 3 minus x plus y. These are the factors of this expression. Okay, now see what is given in question number 10th second. 9x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we may convert it into 3x square. We can write like that. 9x to the power 4 means what? 3 square is 9 and x square is x to the power 4. And we have to think about this number, how we will convert into any square number. So we can see here it is x plus 1 whole square, because x plus 1 square means what? X square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, that is 2x. That's why I have written here. Okay, now we are having a square minus b square. So what is the equation. Next step will be 3x square plus x plus 1, and next step is 3x square minus x minus 1. Here I have jumped one step. Instead of writing minus x plus 1 and then open it directly, I have written minus x minus 1. Okay, so this is your answer. In 2-step answer is solved, but you have to use your common sense that how we will convert it into a square. Okay, now see question number 11th first. This is 11th first. Solve the second one, though both are similar, so I have chosen any one randomly. Now 11th one is 9x to the power 4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. Now again I can see that 9x to the power 4 means what? It is 3x square whole square, and if I will take common minus, then what is the numbers here? It is x square plus 12x plus 36. So 3x square, and I can see that this is x square and this is 6 square, so middle number must be 2 into x into 6. Yes, 2 6 is 12x. It means this equation is of x plus 6 whole square. So I'm going to write that 3x square whole square minus this is x plus 6 whole square. Now a square minus b square, so this plus this minus this. In next step I'm going to write that 3x square plus x plus 6. Children, please do practice, then you can easily become smart in these sums. Okay, 3x square minus x minus 6. These are the two factors. Done. Now see question number 12 first. What is given? A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. Okay, a to the power 4, we are not going to disturb this a to the power 4. Minus we will take as common, then here is b square. Okay, then here is 2 into 1 into b square, and this is okay, we have taken the common. No, wait, I have to write one more step, then I will reach to this step, otherwise you maybe feel confusing answer. Okay, I have written a to the power 4, minus is common, so here is b to the power 4 minus 2b square and plus 1. Now I hope it is clear. Now what I did, I may write it like a square whole square minus, here I am writing b square, and this one is 1 square, so this will be a square b square, means here is 2 into b square into 1. Yes, 2 into b square into 1 is 2b square. Now I hope it is clear, otherwise directly I was writing this one, so you may feel confused that from where these minus plus change, so I did it. One more step I added here. Now children, see, a square whole square minus this one is formula of what? B square minus 1 whole square. Okay, so b square minus 1 square is what? B square plus 1 square minus 2ab. So now we are having two numbers with square sign, that is a square minus b square. So once we will add and second time we will subtract. So this is a square plus b square minus 1, and in second bracket we will write a square minus b square minus 1. Again we have to open this bracket. So answer is a square plus b square minus 1, and here is a square minus b square, and this minus become plus 1. So finally these are the two factors. First is a square plus b square minus 1, and second is a square minus b square plus 1. These are the two factors of this algebraic expression. Now see question number 12 second. X cube minus 25x. Okay, first of all I can see that there is one common factor between x cube minus. First of all we have used first method, that was taking common factor out. What is common? X is common. Okay, now x square minus 25. Quickly we can see this is x square and this is 5 square. So first of all you write first factor, then this is x square minus 5 square. Now what I will do, a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b, so x plus 5, x minus 5, and here your answer is over. First factor of this equation is x, second is x plus 5, and third is x minus 5. So in this video, up to this question children. Bye bye.